Hello everyone. I am back to give you a little update on my Icads for Icad 2021. I want to show you the ones from this last week. These are from the week before. You've already seen them. Of course, what I'm doing is I am doing an Icad live when Lisa and I stream together on Tuesday and Thursday. I'm doing one of my Icads live when I stream on Sunday. So 3 times a week. They are at the beginning of the live streams if you're interested in watching me do them. I'm not videotaping the others. I'm only videotaping once a week because otherwise it's just too much to do. So I just wanted to show off the cards for this past week and show you something else, and then I'm going to do today's card. One of the things I want to show you first is I was out shopping with one of the other YouTubers who is in streams a lot. Her handle is Piccola, and we went thrift store shopping, and I found this, and I thought, you know, this would be really cool to put my Icads in. So I am going to get ready, and I'm going to put a tab of some sort on the top, and then I will be putting these Icads into this frame on these little spinner racks, and I thought that would be really cute for my Icads this year. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but when I figure it out, I will actually show it to you. Now let me bring it in a little bit so these Icads are a little bigger. There we go. Let's see, this would have been last Tuesday's. Yeah, that would have been Tuesday's on the 8th. Really like how that one came out. And this one's Wednesday's. It's kind of simple, but there again, I liked how it came out. This was Thursday's. I did this one live with Lisa, and I don't know, it's kind of a hot mess. It's okay, don't get me wrong, but it's just, I'm not sure about it yet. Really love this one. This one I did Friday. This one's Saturdays, and for some reason it turned into an actual scene with the sun setting and the tree and the horizon, and these are little bushes. At least that's what they look like to me. So it just kind of morphed into that. This is the one I did in my live yesterday, Sunday. And I really like the cells of this one. Let me see here, the other one that I did that's like that. They're similar, but they're not the same. So I really thought they kind of came out pretty cool. And I'm liking where they're going. At the same time, I love some of these others. So they just do their own thing. And now I want to do one for today, Monday. Let's see, what's today's date? It is the 14th. I have my Icad. I've decided to use this little section of my paper, of a piece of painty paper. And I may take you back out so I don't keep falling off frame. At least a little bit. Okay. I'm going to get busy here, work, and just work at it, and I'll be back at the end of the video to talk about what I've done. In the meantime, enjoy the doodles. By the way, I usually put music over the times where I'm quiet. Do you guys like the music? Would you rather I left it off? Now I know you can turn it off, but would you rather I left the music off? Let me know in the comments, please. Let me know if you're doing the ICAD 2021 project. I'd like to know that too. Well, everyone, I'm going to show you just real quick my last week's cards again. While we're waiting for that to dry. I can't finish just yet because they're not quite dry. So this was last Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. And Sunday. And here is our second week of Icads. And now it's dry where I can finish it. And I hope you're enjoying these videos. Please, if you are, make a comment down in the description box. I'm hunting my little book of quotes. This is 1001 Ways to Creativity. Literature flourishes best when it is half a trade and half an art. William Ralph, I think it's Ing. Literature for that is interesting. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Let me know if you're doing Icads for 2021. Bye-bye.